Onyxcoin XCN crypto price is about to explode once again. A lot of people are not paying attention right now because XCN has been underperforming in the last couple of days. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys something I just found on the chart. Now, let's even check XCN on the coin market cap. You will notice in the last 7 days, XCN has only gone up 7%, which is not like looking good. But in as much as that is happening, something is forming on the chart which a lot of people are clouded by anger, disappointment, and are not like wanting to like pay attention to what the chart is saying. The current market cap of XCN is below $600 million, currently set at $579 million. Sooner or later, we can begin to see $1 billion, $2 billion, $5 billion, $10 billion for the market cap of Onyx coin. Now, Onyx coin is currently ranked number 112th position out of over 9,000 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap alone. That's massive if you ask me. Now let's go back to the chart to see what the chart is saying real quick. The current price of Onyx coin XCN crypto is currently seated at 0.0173. We have 15 hours and 11 minutes until this daily candle close. Now this current candle is a bearish candle. Now if you're paying attention to the chart, this is a clear bullish pennant. XCN coin just formed a bullish pennant, and a lot of people are still not figuring out yet. They are not like paying attention. Sooner or later, the price is going to explode out of this bullish pennant to the upside. By the time it break out to the upside, maybe retrace a little bit to flip this previous resistance zone into a support, the next leg up we should expect should be another massive explosive run to the upside for the price of XCN coin. This is what I expect XCN coin to do. I don't see XCN coin breaking below. Like a lot of people might be thinking, maybe it wants to like break below. You understand? I don't see XCN coin going below. XCN has a high probability of breaking out to the upside, down to the downside. So by the time if this correction continues, we should get a bounce from around 0.0164. That zone is likely to be a reversal zone. Or if you want to like play safe and you want to dollar cost averaging, then you should start even like positioning yourself from the current price it is, which is 0.017. So between this 0.017 and 0.0164, I think that is a good entry zone if you ask me. And sooner or later, XCN is going to like explode, considering the utility and also the market sentiment. I think the next price target, the moment we take out this resistance here, we are currently on the daily time frame. The next price target for XCN coin would be around the 7-cent zone, which is 0.075. By the time it's taking out that zone, then it's going to be a moonshot all the way to the all-time high, like the all-time high XCN coin has ever had. It's going to happen very, very soon, and it's still going to take a lot of people by surprise. People pray for dips to happen, but when the dips happen, they get scared, they get snake bite, and wouldn't want to like invest. Be fearful when others are greedy, and be greedy when others are fearful. The best time to invest is now. Whatever I say is strictly my own opinion, by the way, and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. Invest wisely. Let's look at what the BTC Dominance is saying real quick. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC Dominance on the 4-hour time frame, you would notice the BTC Dominance is currently having a massive rejection, which is what we've been like waiting for, we've been anticipating like forever. You get now, the dominance correction began 7th of May 2025. And if you're going to the BTC chart, you would notice something happened on that 7th of May as well. BTC began to pump from the $96,000 zone that exact 7th of May all the way to $105,000. And I think BTC is trying to make her way to the $107,000, $108,000 zone before we get a correction. And if the correction is happening, then you guys should like set your limit order around 97K and 96K zone to like get an entry, because we are definitely going to get a pump from there. But what am I saying in essence? Remember I've like said this countless times in our YouTube videos that The moment you start seeing the BTC dominance like correct aggressively and you see the BTC price pumping, then altcoins are going to pump. Now, these are altcoins. Now, we are currently at the total 2 altcoin market cap excluding BTC chart. And we are currently on the 4-hour time frame. Now, at exactly May 7, 2025 was when altcoin began to pump as well, when the BTC dominance begins a correction. So we need to see the BTC dominance correct aggressively to the downside, and we need to see BTC pump in order for altcoins to pump aggressively. Like my portfolio was initially down minus 80 something percent, but the last time I checked a couple of hours ago, I'm now at around minus 62%. That is to tell you altcoins are aggressively recovering now gradually after about 5 or 6 months of we being under the water, sad, depressed, angry about our portfolio. By the time you see BTC pumping and the dominance dumping, just know altcoins are going to rally hard. And if BTC is consolidating and the dominance is dumping, altcoins are still going to pump. So we are gradually moving into the altcoin season we all have been waiting for. Now, if you're paying attention to the BTC dominance chart on the daily time frame, we've had 4 or 5? We've had 5 consecutive bearish candles on the BTC dominance. The dominance corrected all the way from 65.38% and is currently at 62.77. It dropped all the way to, let me check it out real quick. It dropped all the way to 62.50%. Let's even drop to the 1 month time frame because that has been the time frame we've talked about countless times on our YouTube videos. Now we are currently left with 19 days and 16 hours for this monthly candle to close. The moment the next monthly candle is opening bearishly again below this current candle, then guys, that is a clear indication we are now officially in an altcoin season. Now, let me arrange this chart real quick because historically, this market cycle had a slight change, a lot of stuff changed. Things were not moving the way they used to since the inception of the overall cryptocurrency market, you get. But still, that is not going to stop our altcoin season. It can only prolong it or change the date, the period, the seasons and all that. Now, historically, according to the last market cycle, the BTC dominance bottomed in May 2021. Same thing happened in the market cycle between 2017 and 2018. The BTC dominance bottomed in May 2018 as well. That is to say, May is usually an aggressive, quarter one is of the ending part of the market cycle is usually an aggressive bullish month, bullish season. But just that reverse was the case this time around for this market cycle. But if the BTC dominance is to bottom around the same zone, which is 39.36%, then we should be expecting a 40% correction, which we've so far had 4% correction. That is to say, we are left with 36% correction. And if the BTC dominance is correcting minus 36%, the cryptocurrency market is going to explode. The altcoins are going to be pumping aggressively non-stop. If you're paying attention to the altcoins in the last 7 days alone, most of the altcoins have had a decent and a healthy recovery from the dip we've been several months ago. They are performing well now. Now imagine when the BTC dominance just dropped minus 4% too, and altcoins are already going nuts, going parabolic. Now imagine when the BTC dominance drops minus 36%. That is when you can begin to see your portfolio increase on a daily basis plus 100%, 200, 300, 400%, 10x, 100x. I'm going to be making more video for you guys now on altcoins to position early, you understand, in order to catch up with this rally and to make the easy 10x to 1000x return. The videos will start rolling on my channel today. So that's that for that. You guys just need to hold on to your horses very, very well. This is not the time to panic sell at all because we haven't even started. Yesterday was greed for the cryptocurrency fear and greed index. Yesterday was greed. Today is still reading greed. By the time we get to the extreme greed zone, that is indicating a very ultra bullish market sentiment, and it can stay on that extreme greed zone for weeks and even months. So let's see how it goes. As always, my name is Isaac. Invest wisely. Whatever I say is strictly my own opinion and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. Like this video if you haven't already. Please smash the like button, destroy the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Share this video with your friends and family so that they can get an eye opener, understand what is really going on in the crypto market. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.